Alright. Look at that cord. That is cool. You want to take that yucky one down, Lindsay? There we go. And then that's the good one.
She's like her mother. She wants to eat.
You may make your doctor appointment or whatever you
I
say.
know.
That's crazy.
I'm just peeking for a second. I can see we even had a skid mark.
How big is it?
No stitches, no anything.
Amazing. Still dangler.
Fall down.
Girl dangler.
Just let me go ahead.
Okay.
I'm going out.
Thanks.
You're getting too long. Move your little thing up. Better. Good. Closer to. I didn't intend you to go crazy. You hold like out here.
Can't hear her heart anymore, but she's making up for it. She says, I have lots of stuff to tell you, Mama.
Oh, goodness.
You hear your charms?
Oh. Hi, Mama. Hello, Mama. Introduce her.
I got a jab but didn't get a hug.
The one from this morning either?
Yes, no.
What is all that food coming out?
Yeah, that's blood. I'm going to take over for a second. See where I'm at.
Oh.
Placenta to let go. There we go. Give me a nice little push. Or not.
Placenta 1420.
Good.
What do you do with that?